When people talk about an RF test setup today, what are they actually referring to? Let's take a quick look at spectrum, signal, and scope tools we're bringing to radio and wireless week. Let's start with this RIC6000, our new real-time spectrum analyzer. It covers frequency up to 26.5 GHz, which places it well within the range for advanced RF and wireless work, and is designed for catching fast, short, or unpredictable signals, the kind you don't want to miss. If you don't need that much frequency range, there's RIC3000. It goes up to 4.5 GHz, making it a solid choice for everyday RF troubleshooting or working with lower frequency wireless systems. On signal generation side, we're bringing this DSG5000. It covers frequency up to 20 GHz, giving you a clean and stable source for testing receivers, validating RF paths, or building repeatable test setups. For time domain measurements, there's the MH5000 oscilloscope. With up to 1 GHz bandwidth and 6 channels, it's built for mixed signal systems, where timing, correlation, and seeing multiple signals at once really matter. Together, these tools cover a wide range of RF and mixed signal work, from learning and debugging to advanced analysis. If you're still figuring out which tools make sense for your work, this lineup gives you a pretty good starting point.